Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from crypto.com straight to your bank account, step by step, so you know exactly what to do. So the tutorial today is how to withdraw money to your bank account on crypto.com. First, log into the crypto.com app. Once you're in, tap the menu button at the top left of the screen. Next, navigate to Fiat Wallet. Your screen should now show your fiat balance. This is where any cash like USD, AUD, or other supported currencies will appear. If you don't see any money in your fiat wallet yet, but you do own crypto, you'll need to sell your crypto first. You can do this by tapping Sell Crypto, choosing which coin you want to sell, and completing the transaction. Once that's done and you have money in your fiat wallet, tap the Transfer button. After that, tap Withdraw. You'll see different fiat currencies you can withdraw. Choose the fiat currency you want to send to your bank account. For example, this could be Australian dollars, US dollars, or your local currency. Now take a moment to read through the withdrawal process shown on the screen. The process can vary depending on your location. In some cases, you'll need to activate your bank account by making a deposit to crypto.com first. If you've already deposited from your bank in the past, your account should already be activated. If not, go back and select Deposit to register your bank account. Once your bank account is set up, you'll be able to request a withdrawal. Processing usually takes a few business days to be reviewed, and then a few more business days for the money to reach your bank account. You'll also see important details like minimum and maximum withdrawal limits. Make sure your amount meets the minimum withdrawal requirement. When you're ready, tap the blue Withdraw Now button at the bottom of the screen. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double check that it meets the minimum withdrawal amount. Then select the bank account you want the money sent to and tap the blue Withdraw button. Follow any on-screen prompts to finalize the withdrawal. Finally, all you need to do is wait for the money to arrive in your bank account. If the expected processing time has passed and you haven't received your funds, you can contact Crypto.com support through live chat or check with your bank for more information. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Crypto.com tutorials, and comment below if you want to see another step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.